Hey guys, welcome back. This is another episode of Ragnar's Innuendos. Do you know why? Playing with me wood! Look! Look! Playing with me wood. And guess what? Guess what? It's gonna fit in a tiny tight toe! Ah! Big wood giant toe! That's it, basically. That's where the innuendos stop. Sorry. I'll beat you with me wood if you like. So, the aim of the game today is to turn this into a stop for my water bottle that I made in a previous video. It needs a stop. I'm not going to get any alcohol in that. Well, I will. It just ain't going to last very long, look, because there's a great big freaking hole in it. So, we're making a stop. This is a spare piece of wood I've got from the axes that I did in previous videos. Nothing goes to waste if I can get away with it, because then it saves me money. And it shows you how to recycle. Yeah, it does. Or upcycle. Upcycle's the right one. So, as you can see, the bottle that I did is now all dry, finished. It tightened up. Dirty bastards. Honest, you really fucking are. But you can see now I wet it and everything, and then it's dried. You get all the imperfections in the pig skin. They're showing up really well. So I'm going to keep it the way it is. I'm not going to bother staining it. I quite like it. And you can see what happened when I put the thong in on the top. Thong in, holes and wood. All in one video. Tight wet hole. Chunky bit of wood. And a good bit of thong. Ha! You're welcome. Yes, you are. And no, I don't know how to edit the scene in from Moana, but otherwise I would do to deal with it. And no, I'm not going to sing either, because we've got the sun out at the minute. I don't want it to bloody rain. So again, I apologise for that. So the tools I've got in mind to use today to try and thin that bit of wood down are a Stanley or a Stanley. Yeah, both Stanleys. So I'm thinking this one might do the job. And when I'm done, all of my shavings don't go to waste. They get used for kindling. So when I'm doing my Viking shows, I've got something to attack with flint and steel and get a fire going. So the next step is to pan you down, and we'll see how this goes. I have no idea how long it's going to take. Probably going to take me a while, so be prepared for a fast forward. Because you don't want to watch that, do you? Nah, I didn't think so. Right, let's crack on then, shall we? Hey guys, right, so the water bottle is finished, stopper's done. There was a leak, but I put a bit of extra resin in there, sealed up all this as well, look, put resin on the stopper so that stops water being absorbed in the wood, cut myself, injured my hands. It was all on camera, it was all documented, it was all full of effing and blinding. I was going to show you it all, but for some reason the camera decided to record the noise of itself charging, so you couldn't even hear my voice. It was just this horrible, horrible humming noise. So I've cracked out the external mic, which is sat on the top staring me in the face right now, which should negate all the crappy sound that the camera makes. So hopefully I'm coming through nice and clear. I won't know till I edit this crap. But yeah, it's all done. It's all cut down as well. Like, I took the saw to it and took a load off, which is why it snapped, because this wood is incredibly dry. It has been sat in front of my beer fridge for God knows how long, with all the hot air just being pumped out the bottom. So that's probably dried out even more than it's supposed to have done. But it fits. See? My thick bit of wood fits in the tight hole. I'll give you a second. I can wait. But the wood is officially in the hole. And we didn't have to spit and push harder. I can wait, don't worry. Finished? Can we be adults again? Are you sure? Good. So I had to take the Stanley to it for about an hour. Like I said, I did record absolutely everything. It was all on video, and there was that problem with the horrible noise. So all the audio was useless. If it was background noise, according to a load of YouTube videos I watched, I could have probably reduced it, and then you would have got my voice more. But because it was foreground noise, no matter what I did, it made the audio of my voice anyway even quieter, so you couldn't hear a bloody thing. So I sacked it off, put it in the bin, rage quit, and dropped for a little while. After finishing this anyway, I mean, like I say, I was recording everything. But yeah, so that's what happened. I finished the water bottle. The wood fits in the hole. You're a dirty perv. But I didn't want you to just see the picture on Instagram and go, oh, well, you didn't show us this, or we didn't do that. But I did do it. It's all there. It's all above board. It does hold water. I'm not going to put water in it now because I can't be bothered to go to the sink, which is like just there, like there. But that's far. Can't be bothered. Suck it up. You want to fill it with water? You come round and do it. But I'm not doing it. Can't be bothered. Do one. So yeah, that's all that. I just wanted to show you the finished product, give you a bit of an update why I've not shown you being finished, and cut off sanding this down halfway through. Originally the camera died, put a battery pack on it to charge it, and it seems to be that made it hum incredibly loud, so it was recording its own internal noise more than anything else, which made the video shit, so I scrapped it. This goes to show, if you buy cheap, you get problems. Also, buy cheap, buy twice. Luckily my camera's still going. It just has these little niggles where it wants to be a temperamental little shitbag and wants to fuck me over on a good day. Well, fuck you, camera. You've got your external mic plugged into your ass. Yeah, so thank you very much, guys. I just wanted to do this just to top off the video so it wasn't just cut off and then you had no idea how it finished. But yeah, it's all done and dusted. It will be going to shows whether people like it or not. I don't give a shit what authenticity say. I put fucking hard time and effort into it. I'm filling it full of mead and I'm getting drunk from it. So yeah, as always, it is an honour having you here. It's good to have you keep coming back. Gives me something to focus on. Gives you some crap to watch. But you do get to see a really, really, really nice fetching beard and really freaking curly hair. I mean, look at the state of all these. I mean, what the hell is all this about? I don't know. Well, the weather's absolutely miserable here, but I'm still going to go and enjoy my day. So I implore you to do the same. I'll see you later, guys.